Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I will be navigating at the same time the interface of CMAN NOX build. This is one of the best build out there. Okay, the reason why I'm not showing you how to have this on your device is because of the recent YouTube community guidelines. YouTube has been taking down videos I made regarding how to have builds on your device. So as such, I have decided to be showing you only the interface of these builds. So if you want to know how to install this build, check out the description on the comment section. Then I will be dropping a link on how to install this particular build, right? So the features of this build, you will find the systems. Then on the systems you will find account manager, wizard, read the breed, tracked, speed test, and all these things. Then going further, you'll find on the movie section, you'll find these are movies you'll find here. And then going on the TV show, these are the TV shows you'll find. These are the also what you'll find here as well. And then going on the scripper section, you'll find this pay-per-view. You're gonna find all these things. And then going on the focus section, you'll find this as well. And then here also you find these documentaries, movies, and then sports. You'll find this as well. Mad Titan sports. These are the features of this particular build. And then you also find out the EPG live TV section, right? You're gonna see the BTV, 4G, live TV app. You know, all of them. They're going here also. You find the system section. You find weather. Let's check out the wizard section and find what kind of builds within this build, right? So let's check out the wizard section. Well, on the wizard section, we find this. You're gonna find builds, maintenance, restore, tools. Let's check out the builds here, and then you're gonna find these are the builds here. So this current build here is this is current build, this one. So even within here you can also install other builds within here, right? So as you can see, the steps are quite the whole interface are quite easy to navigate, right? So very easy. So these are the builds you can actually install if you want from here. Yeah, so this is the interface and the features of this particular build. So if you want to know how to install this particular build, check out the comment section, check out the description also. I'll be dropping a video I already made on how to have this particular build on your device. Please, apologies, this is because of the recent YouTube community guidelines. This is coming not cool, making a video and then all of a sudden it's been taken down due to community guidelines. So check out the comment section. I'll be dropping a link where you're gonna find how to install this particular build. See you guys in my next video.